Hello everyone, and welcome. Glowing Star. Today, we are going to start with energy, focus, and no distractions. In a moment, you will see an image that we will describe using basic, intermediate, and advanced English. This will help you improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking skills step by step. At the end of each level, we will learn new vocabulary words and their meanings to expand your English even more. Get ready to learn, practice, and enjoy the process. Let's begin right now. Basic English. Planting beautiful memories with my children. Every day with my children is a special gift. I know that time goes very fast, so I want to enjoy every moment with them. We laugh together, play together, read books, cook simple meals, and take walks in the park. These small moments become beautiful memories. I believe that being with my children is a great privilege. Not every family has the same opportunities, so I thank God for every new day. I want my children to feel loved, safe, and happy. I always tell them that they are important and that they can achieve their dreams. Sometimes life is busy, but I choose to spend time with my family. We talk, listen, smile, and help each other. Love grows when we share our time. Money can buy many things, but it cannot buy time with the people we love. I feel truly blessed because I will see my children grow. I will watch them learn, become kind people, and build a good future. My heart is full of gratitude. Today I plant beautiful memories that will stay with us forever. These memories will always remind us that love is the greatest gift in life. Vocabulary. Gift. Memory. Together. Blessed. Grow. Privilege. Gratitude. Intermediate English. The privilege of creating lasting memories. Life moves quickly, and children grow faster than we expect. That is why I choose to create meaningful memories with my children every day. We enjoy simple activities such as gardening, traveling, sharing stories, and celebrating small achievements. These experiences strengthen our relationship and fill our hearts with joy. Being present in my children's lives is one of the greatest blessings I have ever received. I understand that my attention, love, and encouragement are more valuable than expensive gifts. Every conversation, every hug, and every smile helps build their confidence and teaches them the importance of kindness and respect. Although daily responsibilities can be challenging, I always make time for my family. I want my children to remember a mother who listened carefully, supported their dreams, and celebrated every step of their journey. My greatest reward will be watching them become honest, compassionate, and responsible adults. I feel deeply grateful because I have the opportunity to witness their growth. Every shared moment becomes a treasure that cannot be replaced. The beautiful memories we create today will remain in our hearts forever, reminding us that genuine love is built through time, patience, and unforgettable experiences. Vocabulary. Meaningful. Strengthen. Encouragement. Confidence. Compassionate. Treasure. Unforgettable. Advanced English. The enduring legacy of precious moments. One of life's greatest privileges is the opportunity to witness my children grow while intentionally cultivating meaningful memories with them. Every shared experience, whether ordinary or extraordinary, contributes to the foundation of a lifelong bond that time can never erase. These moments become the invisible threads that connect our hearts across every season of life. In today's fast-paced world, it is easy to become distracted by endless responsibilities and material pursuits. However, I firmly believe that the most valuable investment I can make is giving my children my presence, attention, and unconditional love. These priceless gifts shape their character, nurture their emotional well-being, and inspire them to face the future with confidence and hope. I consider myself profoundly blessed because I have the privilege of watching them discover the world, overcome challenges, and transform into remarkable individuals. Their laughter fills my heart with joy, while their growth reminds me that every stage of life deserves to be cherished. Long after toys are forgotten and possessions lose their value, the memories we intentionally create will continue to illuminate our lives. Love expressed through shared experiences becomes an everlasting legacy, proving that the greatest riches are not measured by wealth but by the unforgettable moments we spend together as a family. AC of precious moments. One of life's greatest privileges is the opportunity to witness my children grow while intentionally cultivating meaningful memories with them. Every shared experience, whether ordinary or extraordinary, contributes to the foundation of a lifelong bond that time can never erase. Vocabulary: enduring, cultivating, foundation, unconditional, priceless, cherished, everlasting. Great job today. Glowing star. Today, you made progress, and if you continue practicing like this every day, you will become better and more confident in English step by step. Remember, every small effort brings you closer to your goals. Keep learning, keep improving, and never give up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video, specially made for you. Rocket.